So remember, all the things which I've done in the previous set of videos is not something which I've done in one take. I've done that again and again and again. Biggest secret, which many trainers, coaches, consultants, course creators, welcome to the creators economy. Biggest secret out there, which many people don't tell you, is practice. Practice makes us perfect. Repetition is the mother of all skills. As Tony Robbins says, you gotta do it over again and again and again. Unless you do it over and over, there's no way to sharpen this up. There's no way to upgrade yourself. And that's one of the best ways to fine-tune your skill set. And all the lessons are structured in such a way that you have the opportunity, you have the liberty to do it only once. Be it the work files, be it the lessons, be it the practice, everything you ought to do it once. Probably you can pause and examine and redo this again. And definitely you can always do better than me. Underneath the practice of doing all these things, there are many working parts. If you're somebody from the UPW family, like the Tony Robbins, or if you're somebody who follows my mentor, Rashwin Rajendran, probably any of other mentors whom I follow, you know that you don't need to brainwash yourself. Don't get back or step back into your limiting beliefs. Don't stop yourself. Just keep marching forward. You will improvise. You will be better than what I'm doing. Trust me, it's going to happen.